Alrighty, guys. So as the markets are not looking so good right now, SoFi stock's not looking so pretty either, especially earlier in the day, guys. We got under $8. We got the $7.86. And at one point, I think we were down like 6%, something like that. Yeah, 6.5%. And since that point, it has rallied. Now it's only down about 3%, down about 23 cents. We're actually back over $8 a share. So in this video, we're going to break down the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do. Am I buying the dip? Am I selling? What's going on? But before we do that, guys, don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, using that link down below or by going to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and fund your account with at least $5,000. On top of those 15 stocks, you also get another free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, I'm telling you, this is by far the best promo right now, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So again, now SoFi stock is back over $8 per share. It's still down about 2.8, almost 3% on the day, but it is rallying off the lows from earlier, which I said we hit $7.86. And this thing really started to slip at market open, guys. It looks like it opened at about 820, 825, and again, we got all the way down to 786 pretty much in the first 30-35 minutes of trading. We're talking about a 4.5 to 5% drop, and since that point, we have seen a relief rally, but we're not yet above the lows from yesterday, which means the bears in the very short term are still in charge. Sure, we've seen a nice rally, but we're not taking out the lows yet from yesterday, being about where were those lows? 830? Yeah, 830 is a big resistance right now, guys, so we'll see if SoFi goes green. I doubt it, to be honest. It's currently about 2:55 when I'm making this video. We only have an hour left of trading, so unless it goes crazy in power hour, SoFi's going to have a red day, right? That's the reality of the matter, and we're going to close under the 180 SMA, at least as of now, but based on how things are looking, which this is on the 5-day chart. Yeah, and you guys can see over the past couple of days, we've been struggling, you know, to break out of that 180 SMA and the 50 SMA. Now that I'm looking at it, we were under it earlier today on the 5-day 5-minute. Now we're back over it, but still, guys, we're under the 180, and it looks like here on the 5-day 5-minute, at least to me, I don't know about you, but it's clear that the bulls are nowhere to be found. The bears are in charge. We're actually trading in this channel that I'm drawing out right now for you guys. You guys see that, right? So yes, we hit the bottom of the channel. We're seeing a nice rally. You know, we were down 6.5%. Now we're down under 3%, which is great, but we're not showing any signs of a breakout. Now, let's say if the bulls started to take out, you know, the 180 SMA here on the 5-day 5-minute chart, we start breaking above 825, 850. You know, we start breaking out of this channel, right? And we take the highs out from yesterday being about 870, also the highs from the day before, that would be fantastic. That'd be great. That'd be a spot where we're probably reversing. But are we doing that right now, guys? No. Are we showing any signs of that right now? Not really at all, guys, and we have to start breaking above, let's say, 825 initially. Let me set my alert there right now. Let me do that. Mark is that we're above 825. Then if that were to break, okay, maybe the next target could be around 850, which let me set my alert there now to show you guys. Mark is that we're above 850. That was the high from later in the day on the 30th of June. Also from yesterday a little bit for a majority of the day, really, not just a little bit. So if we break 825, then we go to 850. That breaks. We then go to roughly 870. We break above there. That's where in the short term, guys, to the upside at least, we could really start to reverse. Let me actually set my alert at 870 here. Mark is that we're above 870 on SoFi. So now I'm all alerted up, guys. We'll see how it goes. We're about to be in power hour here in a couple of minutes. And again, I doubt SoFi goes green. Never say never, but you know, it's rallied a lot, so I doubt it goes even more, you know, let's say another 4 or 5% up, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes, guys. And again, we're approaching some key levels here on the 5-day 5-minute, and on the 10-day 30-minute chart, you guys can see we're under the moving averages. Not the best sign on this time frame, which who knows, maybe we will reverse over them again if we do start breaking above 825, 850, 870. And if I pull up the 20-day chart, you guys can also see We're under the moving averages. We have a death cross here, which is not the best sign. And I guess a good sign for the bulls is the fact that we are holding above 775, which actually was the low from the 23rd of June. That's a good sign. But guys, I don't know if that's going to hold for long. If I'm being honest, by the looks of the chart here on the 20-day 1 hour, and like I always say, I keep it real here on the channel, guys. I'm unbiased when it comes down to SoFi, the charts. I'm going to give it to you guys how it is. At this point, looks like we're holding on by a thread above 775, 780. And what we have here, guys, is a descending triangle. So yes, we're rallying off the bottom of that descending triangle, which is great. We're seeing a little bit of a little bit of life from the bulls, but the second we fall through 780, 775, which is possible, it's a possibility here. If we fall through there, that's where we could start selling off even more, guys, and then we might see a drop, something like this. That'd be the descending triangle playing out, which again is a bearish pattern. Maybe we start going down lower mid sevens at that point. We'll see. I'm not saying it's going to collapse, in my opinion, all the way down to $4 or $5 even, or $3. I'm not saying that, but could it pull back to let's say the lower sevens, high sixes if it breaks under this triangle? Totally possible. The way I'm seeing it now on this 20-day chart, the fact that we're under the moving averages, we have a death cross, it's in the cards. And let me pull up the 4-hour chart very quickly to see what we're looking like on here. So yeah, I mean, look, at this point, guys, again, the descending triangle is obvious. And on the 4-hour chart, look at where the 180 moving average is, guys, 728. So right around 725, 730 is where it's at. In my eyes, guys, that'd be a healthy spot for this thing to pull down to, right? Anywhere from 725, 730. That would be a spot where I would not be surprised if we had a relief rally off of, right? Maybe not exactly at 728. Maybe it goes down to 750. I don't know. But in that general vicinity, right? That general area, 730, 750, 60. That's where I could see some sort of rally on SoFi. Maybe it doesn't break 775. Maybe it doesn't even go to 730. Maybe we just rally off of where we are right now. But overall, guys, in my opinion, SoFi is getting ready for another move, whether it's, off this 775 support, maybe we break out, or we see the descending triangle play out, it falls down to 730, then we get the move. That's kind of what I'm thinking at this point. I don't know. I could be crazy. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, we still have about an hour left, exactly an hour left of trading now, as it's officially 3 p.m. on the East Coast. Power hour started, guys. And as of now, it doesn't look like SoFi seems to be slowing down. Now we're pushing $8.17. We're down 2.5%. Earlier in the video, we were down, I think, 3% almost. So we're closing the gap ever so slightly, but I'm still sticking to this not going green. I doubt it will. We'll see, though. I could be wrong. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. And of course, we'll do another update tomorrow. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell and hit that like button while you're at it. And you might as well get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, by going down below or by going to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks on top of those 5 stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And guys, fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which, guys, that's limited time. That part of the promo is limited time, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link, so it does help out the channel. I appreciate you all. As always, check out my Patreon as well if you're interested. Also, link down below if you want to be a part of the Discord, the Patreon portfolio, plus more. Check it out. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you later.